What's up, guys? So I'm almost done. I didn't even realize how fucking close the fourth actually is. So I'm just gonna go over the whole stash. I just have maybe 2 more pickups and I'm done, and then I'm pretty much ready for the fourth. So here, got some cakes from last year. This was from last year. This as well. All this right here was actually from Vegas. And then this was my mid pickup. I think this was like from my first pickup videos that I did for the year. Still haven't touched them. And this right here, honestly, was just too much to take out, so I just kind of left in here. This was from Vegas. This was from last year. It's full. I actually haven't. So I can get this thing out. I didn't actually like them due to the fact that they take too long to go off. So that's why I didn't really touch them. I only wanted to do 1 box. And here's my full case of Trumps. I did only like 1 shell, but that's about it. This one I haven't touched it yet. Still keeping it in there. Got my candy lanes and these babies that I don't really like, just because I haven't come across any. Only darks, not greens. But yeah, that's what I have in the closet. And my babies. Got these guys right here. And then I got these that I recently showed. And these right here. This case of Anarchies was the most recent. And they're just because it's pretty. My Silent Rage. Thrillers. And the Thrillers in the box that I just never really cared about. I mean, they're silly. They hit. And you got carrots and shit that one that's like to go off. And the box is falling apart, anyways. But I mean, I have them. And all these right here are actually all untouched. Someone saw the tape on it. I know I did take them off. Yeah. And then this, I did pick up when I picked up the case of Anarchies. So yeah, I do have a bit more on the way, but I'm nearly done. And this is a pretty long video, longer than anything I've made. But yeah, guys, keep fucking stacking. Love seeing the stash videos. And yeah, 2 more and I'm done. Later.